Decluttering is about creating space for the things that matter most. Decluttering really allows me to kind of reassess what's important to me and my values by using just a series of self-inquiry questions to become more mindful about the things I choose to bring into my possession and if it's serving me or not. The process of questioning the why I'm buying this item. Do I love it or need it? Will it enhance my life? Enlighten me on a deeper level? The best way to find out what we really need is to get rid of what we don't.